Namaste children. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the square root for the given number. Okay, before starting this, we should know this table. Let us see what is this. Here, I have written squares from 1 to 10. 1 square 2, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. Okay? If you observe this column, here I have written the last digits of this square, means units digits. Okay, see 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. Okay, here I have written the units digits of these square numbers. Understood? See, by using this table, we are going to find the square roots of a given number. Let us see how. Here, square root of 3364. How to find the square root of 3364? Okay, see. First, here the answer is 2-digit number. Here you will get the answer as 2-digit number. Okay, first we will check the ones place. Here, what is here in ones place? Here we are having 4. Here we are having 4 in ones place. Okay, see, now check this column. 4, where 4 will fall? Here, 4, here also we are having 4. See the corresponding digit to 4. Okay, here 2, here 8. So, here you will get either 2 or 8. Here the ones place will be either 2 or 8. Keep it like that. Okay. Next come here. Ignore the last 2 digits. Ignore the last 2 digits. Okay. See the remaining digits. Here 33. Here we are having 33. So, here in these square numbers, let us check where 33 will fall. Where 33 will fall. See here. 33 will fall between 25 and 36. Here 33 will fall between 25 and 36. So, we have to take the smallest number. You have to consider the smallest number. So, smallest is 25. So, see the corresponding number 5. So, write 5. Understood? Now, here we have to check which number will come here. Either 2 or 8. So, how to check? Here see. Here we are having 5 in tens place. So, this 5 multiply with the next number. 5 after 6. So, multiply with 6. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Now, we have to compare these two numbers. 33 is greater than 30. Here 33 is greater than 30. Okay. So, this number is greater. If it is greater, here we have to take the greatest number. In 2 and 8, which is the greatest number? 8 is the greatest. So, the answer is 58. The answer is 58. Once again I am telling. See, square root of 3364. First step, we have to see the last digit, units place. What is here? Here we are having 4. Now, we have to check in this table. Here we are having 4. Here also we are having 4. So, take the corresponding number 2 and 8. So, write 2 or 8. So, here units place will be either 2 or 8. And the next step, ignore the last 2 digits. see the remaining digits. What are the remaining digits here? 33. Okay, now check here in squares where 33 will fall. So 33 will fall between 25 and 36. So we have to take the smallest number. Smallest is 25 and the corresponding number is 5. So write 5 here. And the next step, this number, this 5, you have to multiply with the next number. 5 after 6. So multiply with 6. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Now we have to compare these two numbers. Here 33 is greater than 30. 33 is greater than 30. So you have to take the big number. Suppose if this number is smaller than this one, you have to take the smallest number. If this is greater than this one, so we have to take the big number. Understood? So here the big number is 8. So the units place is 8. So the answer is 58. Let us see one more example. Square root of 7056. How to find the square root of 7056? Okay, so what is the first step? See the units place. So what is here in units place? Here we are having 6. We are having 6 in the units place. So see where 6 will fall. Here and here. See the corresponding numbers to 6. 4 and 6. So here the units place is either 4 or 6. Understood? And the next step, leave the last two digits. Leave the last two digits. See the remaining digits. Here 70. Here we are having 70. And here check where 70 will fall. Okay, 70 will fall between 64 and 81. 70 will fall between 64 and 81. So we have to consider the smallest one. Here the smallest is 64. So take the corresponding number. The corresponding number to 64 is 8. So 8 is in tens place. The tens place is 8. Next, what we have to do? Multiply this 8 with the next number. 8 after 9. So multiply with 9. 8 nines are 72. 8 nines are 72. Next, we have to compare these two numbers. Here 70 is less than 72. Here 70 is less than 72. So if it is small, means we have to consider the smallest number. Here in 4 and 6, the smallest one is 4. So here the units place is 4. So what is the answer here? Answer is 84. The square root of 7056 is 84. Let us solve one more sum. Square root of 841. So what is the first step? First step, we have to check the units place. What is here in units place? Here we are having 1. So go to the table where you are having 1. Here you are having 1 and here you are having 1. And see the corresponding numbers. See here 1, this number is 9. So the units place is either 1 or 9. Okay? 1 or 9. And the next step, leave the last two digits. Leave the last two digits and see the remaining numbers. So the remaining digit is 8. The remaining digit is 8. Okay, and see where 8 will fall. Here 8 will fall between 4 and 9. Here 8 will fall between 4 and 9. So we have to see the smallest number. Here the smallest is 4 and the corresponding to 4 is 2. So here we will get 2. Next, these 2 we have to multiply with the next number. 2 after 3. So 2 multiply with 3. So 2 3s are 6. And the next step, we have to compare these two numbers. Here 8 is greater than 6. So if it is greater than this number, we have to take the big number. So here 1 and 9, the greatest is 9. So the answer is 29. The answer is 29. I hope you have understood this concept. Now do these sums in your HW. You can try more sums. If you do more sums, you can increase your speed. Thank you.